Hey guys, good day to you. Today I would like to share with you I will using the Adobe Express. We can use the Adobe Express to design our can make the graphic design same like the Canva. So you can using the Google account, Facebook account, Apple, sign up with an email and log in with Adobe ID. If you are the teacher or student, you also can log in with school account. Okay, so now I just log in with the Google account, then he will bring me to the Adobe Express interface. And then this Adobe Express interface is more and less similar like a Canva account or Canva app, because I'm the Canva free version user. So some of the benefit I after compare with Adobe Express, I thinking I will try to use some design here. So here the interface is look like similar. He have provide Instagram story, post, Facebook post, and logo as well. Then they have a home button, project. So I had done before the two project here, the testing project, and this is a benefit for if you are sign up the premium account. So this is a pay version. Then let's take a look, scroll down and take a look. Quick action, they have a remove background and this tool is merging video and the change speed. So currently in the Canva, the make the video is not allow you to make faster or slow down the video, but here can make it. And remove background, actually if you in the Canva free version, you are not entitled this benefit, but here is yes, even you are the free user, you're entitled to make it free. This is very happy, make me very happy in this app. Okay, this result quite nice. I also very happy. What is happy? You just download this photo. So we can scroll down and take a look. They have you can start from popular template for your design, graphic design, Instagram story, Instagram post, and so on. So you can click one of these and then do some modification as well. If I choose a custom size or create a new project, I just click over here, new project. I can choose custom size graphic from your photo, from your template, and so on. Okay, so on over here. So I just choose okay, for example Instagram post. I just choose in the Instagram post. So this one is a blank one, so they will provide me the template. I can choose one of this template to do my modification, or I just close this one, or I can choose this background. I click here, background now is a white color. I can choose a solid color, for example maybe this one, or I just click over here. I just don't want any color, I just want to choose one of the image. So maybe here provide a lot of image for me, or maybe I just choose one of this image for the coffee. If you have your own picture, you also can choose upload your picture, but I just choose one of here. I just adjust the coffee. Okay, look like this. Okay, then I also can replace, choose solid color. Okay, here the coffee photo, I also can choose the filter. For example, I turn on the filter. This is quite interesting color for me. Okay, for example Okay, I just choose like this as well, and then can choose different color like this. I also can choose this color over here and then move around whatever I want. If you're happy, just click OK. Click OK. Then this one is I will scroll down, and then I can use enhancement. I turn on the enhancement, then can adjust up or down the contrast, whatever you want. Then here a lot you can choose, but if I not, I just turn off. And then I also can choose blur. I turn on the blur. This background will look like blurry like this. Once I'm happy about this, then I just click the white space here, add the text, or you can select all these kind of the text as well like this. Okay, you can double click the text, and then you can ungroup the text, ungroup. So after ungroup already, you just click the text. This one is individually text, and the this edit shape. So edit shape is over here, so you can choose whatever the shape you want, or you want to change the text font. For example, blue color, you can change any color you like. Okay, any color you like, or you just want to remain. So remain, I think Control Z like this. You also can change the font. You can select one different font you want, or increase the size, or you want to alignment as well. You want to make this text becoming semi curve, up or down, left or right, different kind of the design is up to you. Okay, for example, this one very nice, like this. Okay, this one I just like this, and this star I adjust a little bit like this, so it can look like this as well. So you also can try to play around over here, the tags, and then okay, one of the tags you can choose to turn on the shape. Okay, the shape, or you want to turn on the shadow. Okay, you can change shadow like this as well. You see, you can turn around, play around over here, over there, and then you also can turn on the outline. You can change like this. I think this one more blurry, so I think a little bit sharp like this as well. You can do the transparent text like this. Okay, transparent, you can turn on. So I need a fun recommendation like this. You can choose one of them like this. Then once you everything happy about this already, you can choose shape. Just now I mentioned already, shape, the star shape, love shape, whatever shape, you can just click, and then he will paste. Oops, sorry, I click the text. I'll just cross it. Just click. Click the shape. Okay, now click the shape, and then now if I want to adjust the photo, I just click this photo layering, then I can just adjust it. If I want to adjust this love shape, okay, over here, okay, adjust the shape over here, okay, and then I can turn shape like this. Okay, I also can change the color, and then transparency. Okay, very nice. And then I can change color, duplicate, and then make this one becoming a different layer, and delete and information, so I can know this real original source page is by Sumina Wulaidare. Okay, like this, very nice. we also can change the we can also insert design. So maybe, for example, just one of these, click. Then this one I can put maybe over here, and then I just adjust the layering like this. Okay, once I'm happy about this, I can download PNG, JPG, and PDF as well. But also, before I download, I also can apply animation. For example, the text animation, and like this. Okay, not bad. Just choose one of these. After I choose, and then just close. And this one I also can choose anything. No, I don't need to choose anything here. So after I have applied the animation, just click download one more time. They have recommend me about MP4 video or PNG picture as well. So if I click start download, okay, now I just double click, take a look. Hey, sorry about that. Okay, it looks like this. Very good. Okay, so this is today I'm sharing. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give me a like and subscribe my channel. I will make more video for this Adobe Express, the tutorial. See you in the next video soon. Bye bye.